Hi, my name is Mike Huey. I'm General Counsel for AIA Florida. The leadership of AIA Florida has asked me to bring you kind of a special report, an update on a legal action that we're pursuing on behalf of the association. It involves a challenge to the Florida Building Commission rule implementing what we all in the legislative arena knew as House Bill 1021. House Bill 1021 was a bill that was sponsored primarily by the Florida Home Builders Association and allied interest, where they wanted to modify the Florida Building Code adoption process to eliminate the automatic adoption of the international codes as they were updated as the foundation code for Florida's building code. We at AIA Florida and several other interest groups opposed this, including the International Code Council. Unfortunately, they had some very strong allies in the House and Senate, and the bill did pass. Subsequent to that point in time, the Florida Building Commission introduced a rule to implement the bill. We evaluated that rule and advised the association that we thought the rule went further than the statutory changes. We went to a workshop in front of the commission and advised them of our legal concerns. The commission went ahead anyway and adopted the proposed rule, and thereafter we talked to the leadership of AIA Florida, and they thought that this was such an important principle that we needed to challenge the proposed rule. The essence of the challenge is that the law as it was changed, as I said before, basically said that the Florida Building Commission is to review the updated international code, but is not mandated to adopt that code as the foundation code. The Building Commission took the position that any updates of the 3-year cycle code would have to require that any new additions to the Florida Building Code meet the test of a technical amendment, which is outlined in the Florida statutes as being an amendment that is absolutely necessary for the specific needs of Florida. We've looked carefully at this situation. We filed an extensive brief with an administrative law judge. Unfortunately, the administrative law judge adopted the commission's position, and this issue is now before the First District Court of Appeal. We'll probably have a final answer within the next 6 months. We've received lots of support in this effort from the International Code Council, the Building Officials Association, and others, including AIA National. This is not just a local Florida issue. This is becoming a national issue, and this is the tip of the spear here. And AIA Florida has taken this on, and I applaud them for doing so. And I think it is a fight to whether or not we're going to have a valid international code versus Florida being an isolated state having its own outdated code in the future. I hope that you will help in any way you can as leadership of Florida AIA goes forward with this effort. Thanks.